Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AWS, Amazon Web Services, review my usage experience. AWS, Amazon Web Services, or simply AWS, is a comprehensive cloud computing platform offering a wide range of services like compute power, storage, databases, networking, and more. It's aimed at developers, businesses, and individuals needing scalable and reliable computing resources without the overhead of managing their own infrastructure. Key features include EC2, virtual servers, S3, object storage, and RDS, managed databases. Their website provides details on their extensive service catalog and pricing. AWS offers a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for what you use, and generally boasts high scalability and reliability. It's a major player in the cloud computing market, competing with services like Google Cloud Platform and Microsoft Azure. Availability is global, with data centers worldwide. You can check specific region availability on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AWS. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I followed their well-documented tutorials to set up a simple EC2 instance, basically, a virtual server, to host a small website. The interface, while initially daunting with its sheer number of options, became easier to navigate once I understood the basic organizational structure. I found using the EC2 console intuitive enough to manage my instance, adjusting resources, and monitoring its performance. The website performed flawlessly, loading quickly and reliably. I even experimented with S3 for storing website assets. Uploading and managing files was simple and efficient. I had a quick question about scaling my instance, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how detailed their documentation is, acting as a great resource for troubleshooting. One minor drawback was the sheer volume of services. It took me a little while to get used to the extensive range of options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my AWS experience. It's a powerful and flexible platform, though it might have a steeper learning curve for beginners. However, the wealth of documentation and community support makes it manageable. That's my overview of my AWS usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.